For its own purpose, India is blocking water to Pakistan, but for its own benefit, she criticizes China. International treaties, covenants, and other agreements are not liable to be abolished with one-sided strategy or wish. India has already violated the Indus Water Treaty by constructing Baglihar Dam on Chenab River and Kashanganga Dam on Jhelum River. These two rivers were reserved to flow to Pakistan under the subject treaty. It further shows the bad intentions of India to deprive Pakistan from its water. India must abolish these two dams, as these dams have been constructed in violation of the treaty. However, in the meanwhile, Pakistan must develop to save the rainwater and other small rivers' water from falling in the Arbain Sea. Pakistan must raise the water issue with India on a strong and urgent move. Pakistan must also agitate the issue in UNO.